very good morning to all. Today we'll be starting a new chapter, chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is Religions in India. So we all worship God. God is one, but we have given him different names. So our trust and faith in God is our religion. In India, we practice different religion, and these religions have different names. They have different holy books and their place of worship are different. That's why India is known as a secular country. Now, what does this mean? It means that Indian states does not prefer any particular religion. So here all religions are treated equally. We also say unity in diversity. Unity means togetherness and diversity means difference. So we have different religion, but still we all are one. So that's why India is known as the secular country and we have different religions. Now, as I already told you that in India people practice different religions. There are many religions like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism, many more. So in this class we are going to discuss about Hinduism, Zoroastrianism, Buddhism, Jainism, Christianity, Islam and Sikhism. First we'll discuss about Hinduism. Now this is an ancient religion and there is no particular founder of this religion. Now this religion follows different holy books like the Vedas and the Bhagavad Gita. There are many more books. They believe that their creative god is Brahma and they also worship many other gods. They practice different festivals like Holi, Dasahara, Rath Yatra, Diwali and many festivals. They go to temple to pray. Now this is their worship place, temple. Next one is Zoroastrianism. Now this is also an ancient religion and it was founded by Zoroaster. Now this is the picture of Zoroaster and Zoroastrianism is based on his teachings. Now they believe that there is only one universal God and the name of the God is Ahura Mazda. That means the wise God. This is their holy book, Zen Avesta. We say Zen Avesta. They believe that the world is involved in the fight between good and evil. This is one of the main festival celebrated by the Zoroastrians. That is Navroz. They go to fire temple to pray. Next one is Jainism. It is an ancient religion and it was known as Jain Dharma. Now, Mahavir is known as the main teacher of Jainism. The holy book that they follow is known as Agamas. They believe that to lead a life, we should follow discipline and non-violence in our life. One of the main festival is Mahavir Jayanti. They go to Jain temple to pray. Next religion is Buddhism. There was an Indian prince named Siddhartha Gautam who was born in 563 BC. He rejected his richness after seeing the suffering of his people. After many years of fasting, he sat beneath a tree for some serious thinking and he learned that if we want happiness in our life, we should get rid of these bad feelings. This religion also believed that if we do good, good things will come to us and if we do bad, the result would be bad. This is the picture of Gautam Buddha and Buddhism is based on Gautam Buddha's teaching. Next, the holy book of Buddhism is Tripitaka. One of the main festivals of Buddhism is Buddha Jayanti and the people go to Buddhist temple or Buddhist monastery to pray. Next religion is Christianity. Now this Christianity religion is based on the teachings of Jesus Christ. Christians believe that Jesus Christ is the Son of God and God sent his only Son to save humanity from evil. Now, the holy book of Christians is the Bible. It consists of Old Testament plus the teachings of Jesus Christ. There are many festivals like Christmas, Easter, which are practiced in India. People go to church to pray. Next religion is Islam. Islam was founded by Prophet Muhammad and he was born in Mecca. He teaches his followers that there is only one God and that is Allah. Allah is an Arabic name which means God. Now they pray 5 times a day and fast during Ramzan. This is their holy book which is known as Quran. Some of the festivals are Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha and many more. They go to mosque to pray. So this is their worship place. Now next religion is Sikhism. Sikhism is based on the teachings of Guru Nanak. Now Sikh people believe that to lead a good life, we should remember God all the time and they believe in equality of mankind. That means all human beings should be treated equal. They follow Guru Granth Sahib. Now this is their holy book. One of the main festival is Guru Purab. The Sikh people go to Gurudwaras to pray. Now this was about the 7 religions that are followed in India. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.